Ride in the 2018 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.